5 easy tricks to clean up your code instantly. Use meaningful names. Choose descriptive names for variables, functions, and classes. Avoid single-letter or vague names. Example, instead of X, use customer age for a variable storing the age of a customer. Follow the DRY principle. DRY stands for don't repeat yourself. Each piece of code should have a single, well-defined responsibility. If repeating code, consider creating a reusable function or class. Example, create a function called calculateAverage for a commonly used operation. Use comments wisely. Comments can explain complex parts of code. Avoid using comments as a crutch for poorly written code. Good code should mostly document itself. Use comments to explain the why, not the what. Adopt a consistent coding style. Consistency includes indentation, casing, and syntax elements. Follow established style guides of the programming language. Consistent coding style makes code easier to read and understand, shows professionalism and attention to detail. Refactor regularly. Refactoring means restructuring existing code without changing its behavior. Should be done regularly to keep code clean and manageable. Help spot and fix potential problems early. Some techniques include simplifying expressions, replacing magic numbers with constants, breaking down complex functions or classes. For more such content, like, share, and subscribe.